how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload the file. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload the file. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, go to the Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of the ChatGPT application. So as you can see, the option of update is not available, which means that the ChatGPT application is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back to the home screen and make a long press on ChatGPT, then tap on App Info. Let's tap on App Info. It will lead me to a new page where you can see the option of storage. Tap on that and clear all data here. Tap on that and here you can see the delete all data option. Tap on that, and if it's not possible for you can just clear the cache. Next, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on the required options over here like the calendar, camera, contacts, location and microphone. After that, go back to ChatGPT and now it might be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT unable to upload the file. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.